Hello traders, welcome to another video for gold forecast. So what we are basically doing is we are predicting how price can move on gold chart in daily and in weekly time frame chart. So in last 2-3 videos I predicted that gold might fall from this level, and exactly happening same with the gold is continuously falling from this and this level. As if you want to check those videos, you can check that I already predicted that gold is in downward trend and it is falling the same direction. So in previous video we plotted some support resistance zone. Let me quickly draw those lines so that you can easily get an idea what I am talking about. So one of the resistance that gold is currently facing is at this level 1785. You can see that gold is continuously touching this this price range 1785. You can see 1 2 3 4 and in previous sessions also. So from my point of view 1785 is a critical zone or critical barrier in bullish trend for gold, and I am not bullish until this zone is broken. But in this video I will analyze gold on 4 hour and one on 8 hour time frame. So I will make two prediction for gold. One is bearish for a 4 hour time frame. As you can see this, let me draw a let me give you an idea what I'm trying to say. So here, as you can see, at this line at 1724 currently, if you ask me what I am going to predict for gold in bearish, then my next level for gold to reach is 1724. So I am predicting that gold may at least fall to this level 1724 level, but I think gold is having some kind of bullish trend that is developing in the gold. Let me just plot a trend line and check what is actually happening here. So as you can see, from this candle, currently we are on 4 hour time frame, and from this candle on 16th September to this candle on 20th September, and now today, yesterday, the gold is facing a divergence type of divergence, or you can say trend line, that gold is jumping on this trend line. So if you talk about bullish trend, then we can, if you want to buy gold, then you can put your entries on touch of this trend line and target for 1760, or you can say 1750 level. So if you want to trade on buy direction, then you can follow this trend line on intraday levels, and for bearish trend you can still take entry for bearish movement and take entry from current level to this trend line touch, and then to this level. So on 4 hour time frame we can expect that gold is in bearish trend. And also in last videos I suggested you that gold is trending on following this trend line also. So as you can see, that is very clear picture what is gold doing here, gold price doing here. So this is the basic, or you can say this is the basic idea that I'm expecting gold to trade in 4 hour time frame, that we can expect that we can have an idea for gold bearish trend. But if we switch to 4 hour time frame, those who want to buy and hold for longer period, then let me give you an idea on bigger time frame. Let me clear these trend line from 4-hour time frame. So actually what I'm trying to plot here, as you can see, so, or you can simply parallel these line like this, and like this. So those who want to take a buy entry, I think this is the perfect time to enter in bullish trend. As you can see, the movement of price that is going uh, on gold chart. So for bullish trend, you have to take current entry with your SL. Uh, but in this bullish trend, I think you have to put a a larger time, larger price of SL. For this, I suggest you to put your SL at around uh, this level, at least this level, or your level should be like on 52-week low, that is this line, that is 1764, and you can hold it up to 2000 level. So we can see a bullish trend for on coming days or coming week, that it might have some bullish trend in coming sessions. So for those who want to take buy entry, they can take it right now, or uh, in next trading session like on Monday or Tuesday, and hold with SL to this level. So um, you have to use proper your money management and trade entry to get in bullish trend. So this is bullish setup for gold, and I already explained the bearish pattern for you. I hope this will help you to enter gold in perfect way. Thank you.